Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sai here. As you can see, today I have a weird looking food on top of me. Was that snail or what it is? So I'm gonna be showing you the local village food. What we actually eating in a daily basis. Was it a daily basis? Someday. So I just bought the shellfish. It's not snail. Looking like this. It's a shellfish that you can find them on the lake. They were stuck in the water, but if you find like the tree that fall down in the water, you can find them sucking the tree, around the tree, and it tastes amazing. It's my favorite. So this one is just normal steamed shellfish with lemongrass and other herb, you know. And then this one is the same type of shellfish, but we have kind of curry, but I don't know how to do it. My auntie did it for me. We do this, we cut the bum of the shellfish off and then cook them with coconut and some chili paste. That's all I know, but it tastes amazing. And this one is som tam pa la, like Isan style, with rice noodle. And we have seafood dips right here for this shellfish. And I have rice. So you guys think I'm gonna finish all this? We will see. So I'm gonna be showing you all the food that we eat. Start from this. To eat this, you have to open the lid. We call the lid, yeah. Open them. And then get a toothpick or something like this. Poke him in the head. Oh, there, and you will get the whole shellfish here. Dip with the seafood sauce. Made from chili, garlic, lemon, fish sauce, and MSG. Let's try. Wow. It's so good. It's like appetizer. It's made you feel hungry even more. And this one is, I mean, everything is my favorite. My auntie cooked. I'm gonna try the soup first. Wow. Can smell of the herb and coconut. And here's the difference between eating this one and this one. You have to suck it. So I'll show you how to suck the shellfish. So they cut the bum off, and then same step, take the lid off and then suck it. With sour, yeah? But you need to really suck it. If you don't, am I using the word right? Why I feel so wrong saying suck it? Oh, I think this one too big. We're gonna use the same style. Poke him. Oh. Also, you need something to put the shell away. Eat with hot cooking, like hot rice, soup, and rice. It has some sweet in it. And the shellfish itself, it tastes like kind of like hot gelatin, but have the sweet taste. And I like the sound, like the sound is like I don't know how to explain, but it tastes amazing. When I was a kid, I used to go find this one and we eat. Or I have the excuse for my grandma, so I can sneak out from the house. And there was one time I sneak out from. I'm not sneaking out from the house, but I don't come back from the house and I sleep with my friends, sleeping over. to apologize to her. I need to go to the lake and get the shellfish for her, and then go home. She was not angry. I was like, Grandma, here's a shellfish, I got it for you. She's not gonna get mad. And this one is papaya salad that I do the live stream. Papaya salad again. Oh, this is all my favorite. Must eat with rice noodle. Sometimes it's good with the hand. Tastes amazing. Another fried food that's gonna go with somtam is grilled chicken. Actually, my grandma sent me something. I think I'm gonna show you guys. Wait, let me get it. So at the moment, I'm living in Saraburi, where I was born, but I grew up in Phetchabun. That's where my grandma and my father is. So, you know, like I post on my Facebook, say, oh, I want to eat like the mango sheet, and she sent it to me. She sent me the mango sheet. It's like for a snack, for dessert. It was good. It's like mango paste blended together, add some sugar or coconut, some recipe, and then add some salt, and then you let it like a very very thin layer of mango sheet on the paper, and then you let it sun dry, and this is how it looks like. I put it in the freezer, but you're not meant to put it in, but because of the end. So here's what it looks like. It's like a sheet, like a mango sheet, but she rolled in like a little roll like this, so I can eat for dessert. It tastes like mango, but not as good as like fresh mango. But I think if you're a mango fan, you will love this one. And another thing that she sent me, I eat almost finished. It's like the num pig. It mean like a chili, like, you know, like kind of like thing that you eat with every dish in Thailand, like sauce like that, but this is different. So you eat on top of the rice. It's actually pork, crispy pork belly with chili paste and all different kind of herb, and it smells almost like tom yum. So listen to the sound of it. I mean, this camera is not good like audio, but so I'm gonna have that too. Boy, I'm eating a lot. Put on top. There you go. Complete logo food. Let's keep eating. I don't know how you guys' reaction gonna be, so please comment down below. Did you or did you not like this shellfish? Would you like to eat this? It's not snail. Adam said it's snail, it's not. Alright, I don't know what you bet if I'm gonna finish this food or not. Unfortunately, I cannot finish it all. But this tastes so good. It's like very good. Been long time, so that's all. I'm done for this. Still the room for dessert. Have you ever heard that the girl had two like belly, kind of like belly, one for the food, one for the dessert. So here you go. Dessert time. So this is also a logo what Thai people have for dessert. Not the new generation maybe, but my generation, we crazy about mango sheet. It's mango season is end and they have a lots of red mango that they don't know what to do. This is another way to keep the mango is mango sheet. So let's try. Just like what I'm thinking. You can smell the mango, but the mango sheet have different smell. It smells like mango, but different from the fresh mango, you know what I mean. And it's sweet, but not too sweet. It's just so fun to have for the snack. I'm so happy. Wow. You know how long it takes to make? To make the, mango that holds so much water in them. So in order to do that, you need to get rid of the mango water and get the pure mango paste. So have to stir in a low heat for maybe 4 to 6 hours. And you need to always stir them. Alright guys, if you enjoy eating local food, local style like this, please comment down below if you like this type of video. Until next time, see you guys, bye bye, stay safe, bye bye.